The differential forms of the fundamental laws. Tutorial number 2 show that for a steady flow, du dt can be written as v nabla u as shown here. Verify using rectangular coordinates. So this is the continuity equations. We have du dt equal to del u over del t plus u del u over del x plus v del u over del y plus w del u over del z. And because we assume that this is a steady flow, so we take du dt equal to 0. And we know that the capital V here is the resultant of velocity. It consists of u plus v and plus w, and the nabla is actually the simplification of this term, del over del x plus del over del y plus del over del z. And then we could write down the terms here, because du dt is equal to 0 now. We have du over dt as this term, and then we could factor the value of u here. So we could have the bracket here and u, and we could simplify that. The u, v, and w here is actually the velocity of capital V, and the terms of del over del x, del over del y, and del over del z here is actually similar with the term of nabla here. So we could simplify the value of du dt here as v times nabla times u as shown in this term.